ECU parts and their functions. An engine control unit, ECU, is the brain of a modern vehicle's engine management system, responsible for controlling various engine parameters to ensure optimal performance, fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions. It comprises several key components, each with a specific role in processing data and executing control strategies. Here is a detailed explanation of major ECU parts and their functions. 1. Microcontroller, processor. The microcontroller is the core of the ECU, functioning like the brain that processes all the incoming signals from sensors and sends commands to actuators. It runs the software algorithms that determine ignition timing, fuel injection, air-fuel ratio, and other parameters. The microcontroller performs real-time calculations to maintain engine performance under varying conditions, such as changes in speed, load, and temperature. Without the microcontroller, the ECU cannot make intelligent decisions to optimize engine efficiency. 2. Memory units, ROM, RAM, EEPROM. The ECU includes different types of memory for storing programs and data. ROM, read-only memory, stores the permanent engine control programs and maps provided by the manufacturer. RAM, random access memory, is used for temporary data storage during engine operation, such as sensor readings and calculations. EEPROM, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory, stores adaptive learning values and error codes, allowing the ECU to retain critical information even when the ignition is off. These memory units ensure that the ECU can process data quickly and maintain long-term performance records. 3. Input interfaces, sensor inputs. Input interfaces are the circuits that receive signals from various sensors installed in the engine and vehicle. These include the mass airflow, MAF, sensor, manifold absolute pressure, MAP, sensor, oxygen, O2, sensor, throttle position sensor, TPS, and engine coolant temperature, ECT, sensor. These sensors send analog or digital signals representing parameters like air intake, engine load, temperature, and exhaust gases. The ECU uses this data to determine the correct fuel injection and ignition timing for efficient combustion. For output drivers, actuator control circuits. The output section of the ECU consists of driver circuits that send control signals to actuators such as fuel injectors, ignition coils, idle control valves, and electronic throttle bodies. These output drivers convert low-power signals from the microcontroller into high-power signals suitable for actuators. This ensures that the ECU's decisions, based on sensor data, are implemented accurately in the engine's mechanical systems, allowing smooth operation and responsiveness. 5. Analog to digital converter, ADC. The ADC is a crucial component that converts analog signals from sensors, such as voltage variations from the MAP sensor or temperature sensors, into digital signals that the microcontroller can process. Since most sensors generate analog outputs, the ADC ensures accurate digital representation for real-time computation. High-resolution ADCs improve the precision of engine control by providing finer details of sensor readings, which is essential for modern emission control and fuel efficiency. 6. Power supply circuit. The ECU's power supply circuit regulates and stabilizes the voltage supplied by the vehicle battery, typically 12 volts, to lower levels required by the ECU components, such as 5 volts or 3.3 volts for digital circuits. It includes protection against voltage spikes, reverse polarity, and short circuits to ensure the ECU remains operational under varying electrical conditions. A stable power supply is essential for reliable engine control and communication with other vehicle systems. 7. Communication interfaces, CAN, LAN, K-line. Modern ECUs are connected to other vehicle control modules through communication protocols like CAN, Controller Area Network, LAN, Local Interconnect Network, or K-line. These interfaces allow the ECU to exchange data with transmission control units, ABS modules, and infotainment systems for integrated vehicle performance. CAN communication is particularly important for diagnostics and real-time coordination between multiple systems in advanced vehicles. 8. Diagnostic interface. The diagnostic interface, often compliant with OBD2, onboard diagnostics, enables technicians to read error codes, monitor live data, and update ECU software. It provides access to stored fault codes in the memory, helping in troubleshooting issues related to sensors, actuators, and wiring. This interface ensures that maintenance and repairs can be carried out efficiently using diagnostic tools.